getting ready for a science lesson in English for the local teachers and the teacher assistants tomorrow. So we ought to have a lot of fun. We're going to make a videotape of the lesson for students because they are home and can't attend. Can't wait to get back to plants. Hi everyone. Today we're going to do a science activity called Rainbow Lab. It's going to require mixing 3 different colored liquids using science glassware, graduated cylinders, beakers, eyedroppers, and test tubes. We're going to follow a set of directions in English and proceed with the directions of using the science glassware, and then we're going to record on the back data sheet our results. So let's get started, but first I want to show you another activity for fun that we can check tomorrow. I'd like to do an experiment called walking water. That's fun. And here I have 500 milliliters of blue, 500 milliliters of yellow, and the same for red, and 2 empty beakers. So I'm going to put a paper towel, a folded paper towel, in the blue and into the empty. And I'm going to put one into the yellow and into the empty. And I'm going to put one in the yellow and empty on the other side, and one more down the line, red to empty. And you can probably see why this is called walking water, because the blue is already beginning to walk up, and gravity is going to pull it back down. It's a little hard to see the yellow, but the red is easy to see also. The paper towels are just regular paper towels, equal size, and just fold them into walking ladders. All right, so we're going to leave this sit and come back and take a look at it tomorrow. This one takes time. Walking water. So there's 500 milliliters of blue, 500 milliliters of yellow, and 500 red. And the other 2 are empty. So I'm going to put in a regular paper towel that I folded up and put yellow into the empty and yellow into the empty. And the same with blue into the empty. And one more red. And you'll be able to see why it's called walking water, because the water is starting to walk up the blue and red, the yellow too, but you can't quite see it yet. And so while it walks up, cellular diffusion kind of causes that, and then gravity will cause it to drop. So you can see the water walks all the way to the top, and it's starting to go down the red now. So it's kind of interesting to see how much water will walk and what will happen. So this activity takes like 24 hours, so we'll wait. No, we'll come back and take a look at what happens tomorrow. So I wanted to set this up for you now, and then we can get on to the other activity that we will do.
I finished. Week 10, yeah, so still this one. Well, we can do 17. Either one. Sure. Okay. So C. Okay. So we're gonna do C. Okay. So 7:30.
10,
Okay. 17. Oh, thank you. So 17.
再来呢？你们到趴住了吗？很快欸，而且来威廉。他一开始就过去不就好？
他从那边吸日，
是怎么吸啊？这样吧。
为什么一开始到四九？
对啊，超低。
Round 10.
7个，
Okay. Ah, okay. Two pieces of yellow.
第一车拿4毛。
Just 4? Just 4 million? 10.
超低。
Okay. 10.
Wow, how many do you have in red? A lot. That looks pretty good. Wow, check the walking water. It's almost dead even after 24 hours. Blue. Turquoise, I'm surprised it's not more green. Yellow. Orange. And a red. The red's a little darker than the orange. Walking water.